Shoup Manufacturing now has ProForm cab kits to add to their complete line of cab interiors. If you've installed cab kits before, you are aware of the challenges. Lining up the parts perfect, wrinkles are developing, limited time to stick the parts after they are glued, and it's really frustrating to tuck the parts into proper place. Overspraying glue onto the previous parts, and hard to maneuver the parts when they are sticky. Hey, now your job just got a lot easier. Let's show you how it's done. Watch how easily these parts snap into place. No more guessing where to line up the parts. No more messy spray adhesive. Simply caulk, and then just slide these parts right into place. Seriously, anyone can do this. Make your job much easier with this new and improved design.
Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit www.shoupparts.com or call and talk to one of our highly trained sales staff at 1-800-627-6137. Shoup Manufacturing, keeping farms running since 1977.